First, open the Scene Group Manager editor from the Unity menu under Tools Scene Group Manager. Create several scene groups and rename them. Then, drag the scenes you want to organize into the dotted box under a group to add them to that group. Of course, you can also rearrange the order of the scenes. This not only helps with organization when the original active scene is closed. The first scene in the list will automatically become the new active scene. When you click a Groups button, the scenes under that group will be opened additively. Of course, you can also close all open scenes under a group with a single click. You can also open or close the scenes under a group one by one. Managing your scenes becomes fast, simple, and easy. You can also save the current setup as a new file to replace the existing one. Load the previously saved file to restore the setup. This handy feature lets you collapse scenes and groups to keep the view neat and organized. You can pin the scenes you want to keep, preventing them from being automatically closed except when in single mode. Each group's position can also be freely adjusted. When a scene has been modified, you'll clearly see the save icon turn green. You can save scenes one by one, or click the Save All button at the top to save everything at once. These buttons are very intuitive and convenient, making them easy to use. Now I'm going to demonstrate one of my favorite features, creating a new group from the currently open scenes. Enabling this feature will close all groups except the one you clicked, but any pinned scenes will remain open. You can quickly and intuitively set the active scene. The active scene is where new objects and prefabs dragged into the scene are created by default. The star icon indicates which scene is the active scene. You can clearly see the active scene indicated on both the scene entries and the group buttons. Right-click on an empty area to open the context menu. Open a single scene and close all other scenes, even those that are pinned will be closed. You can pin scenes you don't want to be closed automatically. However, pinned scenes can still be closed when using single scene mode. Finally, I'll demonstrate how a group behaves when it references scenes from other groups. First, take some scenes from other groups and create a new group with them. Then, drag in a new scene to this group. Now the group contains both the new scene and the previously grouped scenes. You can choose to close only the scenes that belong to this group, or also close the scenes that are referenced from other groups. Of course, you can't close all scenes. Unity will always keep at least one scene open. We built this tool to make your Unity workflow smoother and faster. Hopefully, it saves you time and makes development a little more enjoyable. Thank you for watching.